Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So to get started, once you boot up your device for the very first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here, where you get to select your desired language right over here. Now for me, it selects English by default, so that's what I'm going to stick with, but obviously you can tap right here and change it to anything else. And from there we can select Start, then select our region. Moving on to the next page, we have terms and conditions, so you do need to agree to the end user license agreement. You can also tap on it to, the arrow, come on, there we go, to actually read what you're agreeing to, and also privacy policy. Now the rest of them I believe are optional. No, the e-warranty card privacy terms is also not optional, so we do need to select all three of them. From there we can go to the next page. Here you can connect your Wi-Fi network if you have one. If you don't, you can set it up in offline mode. Now if you do select it in offline mode, you will lose the ability to log into a Google account throughout the setup process. That can be changed later on. And also date and time won't be set automatically. And again, this can be changed later on by just simply connecting to your network. Now here we have some services from Google like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't want some of them, you can totally disable them. Moving on, we have set unlock method. So we have a screen lock here. We have three different options. So we have fingerprint, face recognition, and under screen lock we have pin pattern and password. Now if you're planning to use fingerprint or face recognition or both of them, you will always be required to also select a screen lock. So if something happens to your face, your finger, you also won't lose the access to your device because you still have, well, pin pattern or password as a unlocking method. Anyway, I'm gonna skip this and keep the system up to date. You can either install manually, which basically means that you need to go to the settings and search for updates, or by pressing next it's gonna be automatic, I believe. Then app permissions and services recommendations, so you can just read what this is, agree to it if you don't want to, or it is already agreed. So you can deselect this if you don't want it. Then moving on to the next page, we have a navigation method, 3-button nav or gesture, select whichever one you prefer. And that looks like finishes up the setup. So use now. And here we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.